For years, creators have been begging for a true, uncompromising, mirrorless successor to the legendary Nikon D500. The wait is officially over. Massive, authenticated industry leaks have just exposed Nikon's ultimate nuclear option to completely conquer the market: the highly anticipated, deeply feared Nikon Z90. Often whispered about as a myth, the Mini-Z9 is real. It is dropping in 2026, and it is packing features that will make $5,000 full-frame flagships look massively overpriced. Welcome back to Tap Tech, your ultimate hub for honest, in-depth tech breakdowns. Today we are tearing open the official leaked blueprints of a camera designed to utterly destroy the competition. We are talking about a groundbreaking 33-megapixel stacked DX sensor, blisteringly fast burst speeds up to 120 frames per second, and a mind-blowing addition that no one saw coming: internal REDCODE RAW video recording. Straight from Nikon's shocking acquisition of Red Digital Cinema. If you are a wildlife photographer chasing the perfect 1.5x crop reach, a sports shooter needing lethal speed, or a cinematic filmmaker demanding Hollywood-grade color science in a compact body, this is the machine that changes everything. Stick around until the very end of this video, because we are breaking down the exact hardware specifications, the game-changing thermal engineering, and the highly aggressive $2,000 price tag that is currently sending shockwaves through Sony and Canon headquarters. To understand why the camera world is losing its mind over the Nikon Z90, we have to look at the heart of this beast, the sensor architecture. For years, APS-C or crop sensor cameras were treated as the budget compromise option. If you wanted professional speed and image quality, manufacturers forced you to buy heavy, expensive full-frame bodies. Nikon is completely flipping the script. The Z90 is sporting a brand new high-resolution 33-megapixel stacked CMOS DX sensor. Now let's talk about why the word stacked is the most important part of that sentence. In a standard sensor, the pixels are read line by line, which creates a noticeable delay. If you pan quickly or try to shoot a fast-moving object, you get severe rolling shutter distortion, the infamous jello effect where golf clubs bend and airplane propellers look warped. A stacked sensor integrates memory directly behind the pixel array, allowing the camera to read the entire sensor almost instantaneously. This completely eliminates rolling shutter distortion. This means you can shoot with a pure electronic shutter without any image degradation. Combined with Nikon's powerful XSpeed 7 processing engine, this sensor doesn't just offer high resolution for incredible cropping flexibility, it delivers unmatched readout speeds that allow the camera to shoot at a mind-boggling 120 frames per second in continuous high-speed burst mode. Imagine capturing every micro-expression of an athlete or the wings of a hummingbird with absolute clarity, completely blackout-free. The viewfinder will remain perfectly bright and responsive with zero lag, ensuring you never lose your subject for a split second. But Nikon didn't stop at raw speed. They took the elite, intelligence-driven autofocus architecture directly from their flagship $5,000 Z9 and crammed it into this compact body. The Nikon Z90 features an advanced deep learning AI autofocus system that recognizes and locks onto subjects with terrifying accuracy. Whether you are tracking a vehicle tearing down a racetrack, a bird darting through a dense forest canopy, or a bride moving across a dimly lit dance floor, the Z90's 3D tracking stays pinned to the subject like glue. The camera automatically detects humans, animals, birds, and various vehicles, specifically focusing on the eyes and faces even when they briefly turn away or get obscured by obstacles. For wildlife and sports photographers, this level of stickiness means the difference between a missed shot and a portfolio-defining masterwork. Now, let's pivot to the feature that has sent the cinema world into an absolute frenzy. When Nikon acquired Red Digital Cinema, the entire tech industry wondered how long it would take to see that elite Hollywood technology trickle down into consumer bodies. The answer is right here. The Nikon Z90 is heavily leaked to include internal 6K REDCODE RAW video recording capabilities. Let that sink in for a moment. This is a compact sub-$2,000 camera capable of capturing the exact same high-fidelity, ultra-flexible raw color science used on multi-million-dollar movie sets. Filmmakers will be able to shoot massive uncropped 6K video internally, giving them unparalleled freedom to reframe, stabilize, and grade their footage in post-production without losing an ounce of detail. If you don't need the massive file sizes of RAW, the Z90 also offers stunning, oversampled 4K video at up to 60 frames per second in glorious 10-bit color internally. Because it samples the 4K footage from the full 6K resolution of the sensor, the resulting video is incredibly sharp, clean, and virtually free of noise, even when shooting in challenging low-light environments. Of course, high-end video performance is completely useless if the camera overheats and shuts down after 15 minutes. This is an area where many competitive bodies completely fail. To prevent this, Nikon has implemented a highly optimized, advanced thermal design inside the Z90. Taking inspiration from the rugged, weather-sealed bodies of the Z8, the Z90 features a specialized heat dissipation pathway that pulls warmth away from the sensor and processor without requiring a loud, battery-draining internal fan. This means you can confidently take this camera into demanding, professional environments, whether it's a hot summer afternoon or a lengthy corporate interview, and record long 10-bit video clips without ever seeing a terrifying overheating warning on your screen. Handling and stability are also getting a massive flagship upgrade. The Nikon Z90 comes equipped with a highly advanced, next-generation in-body image stabilization system, offering up to a massive 8 stops of stabilization compensation. This is an absolute game-changer for run-and-gun filmmakers and handheld photographers. You can shoot at incredibly slow shutter speeds in the dead of night without a tripod, and your images will remain tack-sharp. Physically, the Z90 is built like an absolute tank. It features a rugged, full magnesium alloy chassis that is fully weather-sealed against dust, moisture, and extreme temperatures. Nikon understands that professionals cannot afford to have a single point of failure, which is why the Z90 includes dual card slots, supporting ultra-fast CF Express Type B cards alongside a dedicated SD slot for maximum backup security. When you look at the total package, the 33-megapixel stacked sensor, 120 frames per second burst speeds, 8 stops of IBIS, elite AI tracking, and internal Hollywood-grade 6K RED video, the Nikon Z90 is clearly positioned to completely disrupt the hybrid camera market. It directly challenges heavier, more expensive full-frame bodies, making it the ultimate tool for modern, fast-paced creators. According to deeply credible supply chain roadmaps, Nikon is planning a global release window for the Z90 in mid to late 2026, with an incredibly aggressive introductory price point hovering right around $2,000. This is a direct shot across the bow to the entire industry. Nikon is giving creators a flagship experience without the flagship price tag. If you want to make sure you are always ahead of the curve, getting the absolute sharpest, most authentic tech breakdowns and hardware leaks on the planet, make sure to show some love to the channel. Hit that like button right now, smash that subscribe button, and turn on all notifications so you never miss an exclusive update. We want to hear from you down in the comments below. Are you saving your hard-earned cash for this game-changing Nikon Z90, or are you planning to stick with a full-frame system? Let us know your thoughts, stay safe, keep creating, and we will see you in the very next video right here on Tap Tech.